Welcome to my session on algorithms and data structures. In this series, I'm going to practice some programming questions on screen with you. Enjoy the magic of problem solving with data structures. Let's see what the question is. So this is the binary search question. Given an array of integers, we have a sorted ascending order. We're given a target and we have to write a function to search that target. The name of the list is none, and if we find that the target exists, we have to return the index, otherwise we have to return -1. It's a simple question. All we have to do is implement the binary search. The algorithm will be order of log n runtime complexity. Some of the examples we can see on screen here is one with a target 9 and then the other is target 2. So how do we search 9? We can divide the search in two parts, the left side of the array and the right side of the list. And if we don't find the middle element to be closer to the target, we can choose to either search on the left side or right side. We're looking for target 2 in this array and we don't find that, so we have to return -1. Let's implement this logic. So what are the things we're going to need to implement this? Binary search is supposed to divide the whole problem into two parts. We're going to use mid as an element, mid as an index to navigate through the list by dividing the list every time into two halves and searching in one of those parts. Let me show how we're going to proceed. So first I'm going to take a left pointer and then another is a right index. So left index and right index. The right index can be the length of number and this has to be -1. We have to search from left to right, so we have to make sure that the index left is always less than right. Okay, so let us calculate what is the middle of the indexes. This will give us the middle index, and if the value in the middle position is going to be equal to target, then we're going to return the target. As if the mid value might be greater than the target, so we should be searching towards the left side of the list, right? So you have to search the left side. We're going to make the right pointer just to a new index. That means, like, if this was the middle value and okay, let's take this example. This number is greater than the target, so we have to search on this side. So right index should shift from 5 to 3 because we already looked at 5, we didn't find it, so this should be the right element. So we are making it mid -1, else left will move and left will become mid +1. And let's say, for example, we have finished searching, we didn't find it, so we should For example, let's say if the size of the numbers is just one element, we're looking for one element. So what happens then? This will be 1, so I'm giving 0. Right and left are both 0, and they're not equal. I mean, they are equal, so we're going to miss this, and then we're going to simply just return -1, so that's not going to work. So let me just say that, okay, it can be equal to. Let's say that there are 2 elements, so the right index is going to be 1. So we're going to search, and what happens if you have a list like this, and I'm looking for 1, and case when I'm looking for 2. How does this code work? So let me just say that left is 0, right is 1, the middle element will be 0, it will be 0, so middle will be 0, and we're going to compare, so we'll get the answer for this, no issues here, okay. Then comes to this, the middle element is less than the middle element is less than the right element. The middle element is less than the target. We have to move to the right, so the middle element is basically left. So yeah, left becomes mid plus 1, then left becomes 1, so left is equal to right, we're good to go. So mid becomes 1 plus 1 by 2, becomes 1 again, so mid is 1, and is mid equal to target? Yes, it is. Okay, now let's just say it was 3. Does this code work? Then in this case, I'm going to say, okay, yeah, the middle element is less than the target, so left will become mid plus 1, which will be 2, but 2 is less than 1. No, condition is, yeah, I'm going to get -1. So these are the 2 conditions I had in mind. Let's run the code. Okay, so we're getting the index right and we're able to search the element. Let's try this example. And we're looking for target 2. We didn't find it. Let's find 0. This works. Let's take a very small array. No. Let's search for 1 in this. Let's take a bigger array, slightly bigger array, size of 2. Yep, we are getting the answer. Let's search for 2 in this. Okay, so we seem to get this. It is working. Let's submit the answer. Okay, great. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.